AirDrop is amazing and it has completely changed my workflow. Hey, Zach Pack, welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. This is the weekly 10R update, and this week we're talking about AirDrop. I didn't fully understand what AirDrop was for the longest time. I knew that you could take files and transfer them from one Apple thing to another Apple thing, but I didn't realize the ease or how efficient it was. I didn't realize how you could take these huge gigabyte files and just instantly move them over. So what is AirDrop? Well, quite simply, it's a way that Apple's ecosystem, again, this is part of the ecosystem, where it uses a combination of both the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth low energy frequencies of your devices to transfer files instantly. So as an example, I record a lot of my B-roll with my Samsung Galaxy Note 9, but lately I've been using my iPhone XR because it also does 4K at 60, and then when I slow it down to 30 frames per second, it's nice and buttery smooth. Now what I was doing in the past is I was allowing that file to basically upload to iCloud or up to Google Photos, and then I was downloading it. Basically, that overall process to maybe get a 2-minute clip was taking up to a half hour, 45 minutes because of upload and download times. With AirDrop, I can simply go into the file, pick the file, then hit AirDrop and move it over to my MacBook and start editing from there. The whole process took maybe 2 or 3 minutes. Absolutely amazing, completely cut down on time, saved myself a ton of time, made things more efficient. And now I'm beginning to kind of get it. This is one aspect of the ecosystem we keep on hearing about, and it has completely changed my workflow. So going forward, I am actually going to continue recording my B-roll with the Apple iPhone XR and then transferring it via AirDrop from there onto my MacBook, and then of course into Final Cut, and then away we go. So let me know down inside the comment section there, do you use AirDrop? Are you familiar with it? Did I kind of help explain to you what AirDrop is and how simple it works? Hopefully I did. If you guys found this content helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Leave me a hashtag ZachPack down in the comment section there. You're a part of my Zach Pack, and I'm glad you're here. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care. Cheers.